Hi everyone, we hereby Group 13 of Slit Engineering faculty gonna present a successful substitute for lancet. This is the outline of our presentation and we are going to go step by step according to this flow in order to obtain a better solution. First, I'll introduce our topic. Usage of lancets have been getting increased day by day due to its feasible nature. Although it is feasible, they cannot be collected and recycled as it's not environment friendly. Not only that, there are various disadvantages and related problems. Due to all this, lancets have been banned in a lot of countries, even in Sri Lanka. So, what would be the best alternative that can be used instead of lancets? We'll see. Before that, I'll go through the advantages that we gained through this project. This project provided manufacturing ideas by improving our creative thinking, also contributed to minimize the environment pollution while achieving sustainability. Then provided the knowledge on raw materials by categorizing them into renewable and non-renewable sources while promoting the sustainable concept, getting more from less. Finally, this project improved our interpersonal skills. The only raw material used for lancet is LPDE or low density polythene. You can see the structure here, and it's a non-renewable source while its density is 0.930 grams per cubic centimeter. Then these are the properties of lancets. Moderate elasticity, low density, resistant to temperature, resistant to electricity, low water absorption, higher tensile strength, high flammability, resistant to fatigue, chemical resistance, durability, and reusability. Each description of the properties are given in this slide. Then let's move on to the manufacturing process. First, we add polythene granules to the extruder, which results molten mixture with proper temperature and pressure. Then we push it through circular die. Then air is blown inside the ring to create an inflated bubble. That stabilizes and removes heat from the extruder. Plastic is expanding between the die and the point where melt crystallizes into solid form. During this transition, molecules orienting in transverse directions, it is sent into nip roll to convert them into sheets. Then it goes to dancing process. After that, winding process. Then LPDE rolls could be obtained. Finally, the final product, lancets, could be appear after this shearing process. Over to you, Nirasha, to continue from uses of lancets.
Thank you, Venuri. Here you can see the uses of lancets. Firstly, in food packaging, to wrap any kind of meals as shown here. For transport processes like in shipments, to protect meals from spoiling. Also, food can be stored inside a specific space. Then, in medical purposes, lancet used as a first aid dressing like this, so it prevents the damage even by a little amount. In other special instances like protecting equipment such as mobile phone by covering them from lancets can be advantageous up to a certain extent. Over to you, Manula.
Thank you, Nirasha. Next, we are going to have a look on the problem related with lancets. There are four main stages in the life cycle of lancet. In each stage, there may be a variant problem arising in different aspects such as in environment, economy, and society. Firstly, in extraction of raw materials, health issues can be occurred while mining. Destruction of environment and natural habitat while losing biodiversity, obstructing recycling process, emission of harmful gases, and economical accept required cost for process will be high together with the economical wastage. Then in the production process also health issues, air pollution, water pollution, high cost and high energy wastage have been identified. Similar to the other stages in application also health issues and the dissolved nature of the lunch sheet with the contamination of worm foods item also have been highlighted. In the final stage, together with the above problems, water pollution, losing biodiversity, negative impacts on tourism industry, and damage to the fish stock are prominent out of them. It's over to you, Erandra.
During our project, we were able to identify six alternatives. They are biodegradable linseed, plum leaves, banana leaves, lotus leaves, manure pulp, and corn starch, aluminum foil brushes. Raw material of the biodegradable linseed are PLA resin and PLA starch resin. It is compostable and biodegradable, which minimizes the environmental pollution. Then plum leaves, banana leaves, lotus leaves, and manure pulps and can be collected easily and medically available in the environment. Aluminium foil boxes indirectly save a lot of energy together with these short uses. I would like to invite Jamali next.
Thank you, Aranga. We have chosen biodegradable lampshades as the best alternative due to its special features compared to lampshades. Biodegradable lampshades are more sustainable than lampshades, but both are equal in performance. Highly environment friendly and low emissions of poisonous gases, 100% biodegradable and non-toxicity, possessing mechanical properties similar to lampshades, low energy for manufacturing processes, and reduced carbon footprints are the prominent reasons which assist us to choose the best alternative. These are the statistical data which demonstrate the successful approach for our best alternative. First graph shows the content of the biodegradable wrapping illustrating its natural renewable raw materials. In the second graph, it shows the interest of sustainable product growing over time while giving a positive hope on our product. Third graph shows the increment of environment-friendly product by depicting that there's no more chance to the lunchies in the world. Final graph interprets the increase of the market for biodegradable food wrappings due to its advantages and sustainable aspects and the equal performance to lunch sheets with the necessary specifications. Therefore, we can conclude that the biodegradable wrappings are the most sustainable, suitable and economic alternative solution for the lunch sheets. Now we are at the end of our presentation. Thank you all.